Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Discover how to beautifully combine the elegance of Saree with the grace of Hijab in this video on unique Sarees and Hijab styling ideas. We will showcase a creative way to drape Saree, perfect for wedding festivals or any formal occasions. Learn tips on selecting the right fabric colors and accessories to achieve a flawless, modest look that enhance your saree's elegance and your personal style. Watch as we go through step-by-step tutorials including different hijab draping techniques, accessory pairing ideas, and modest fashion hacks for all body types. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.